How to apply real-time effects to a track in Audacity. To begin, I added an audio track. Click on Effects button in the track. Now click on Add Effect button and choose the effect you want. Here I added Voice Leveler effect. Click on the effect name to change its properties. Press the spacebar and change effect properties to your liking. Once you're happy with it, just close it. You can replace this effect with another effect. Just from the drop-down, choose another effect. You also can add more effects by clicking on Add Effect button and selecting your desired effect. You can enable or disable effects by clicking on the power button next to effect name. You can reorder that effects applied by dragging them up or down. To remove an effect, from the drop-down click on No Effect. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.